Selamünaleyküm abi. Selamünaleyküm. Selamünaleyküm abi. Selamünaleyküm.
Have you ever met a parrot that just can't stop talking? Meet my African gray, Pipo, who is incredibly chatty and full of personality. In this video, I'll share some of Pipo's funniest and most interesting conversations. African gray parrots are known for their exceptional talking abilities, but Pipo takes it to another level. Do you have a talkative pet? What are some of the funniest things they've said or done? Share your stories in the comments below. We'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences. If you enjoy watching Pipo's chatter, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more entertaining and heartwarming moments with Pipo. Your support means a lot to us.